Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have Earl Grey Tea Chocolate Mousse. Really wonderful recipe and very high taste. You will enjoy it. Let's start. I have chocolate manjari and chocolate jivara. Then 1152 gram chocolate manjari, 1152 gram jivara chocolate milk. We melt it together. After that, this what I mix it now: 1 kilo 500 gram fresh cream. I boil with 120 gram of Earl Grey tea. After I boil, I cover it for 2 hours just to soak and make infusion for the Earl Grey tea flavor in the cream. After that, I strain as you see on top of dark and milk chocolate. Both of them becomes very nice ganache. You will see in this recipe I almost don't use any sugar. This is very important. When you squeeze, this is the leftover of the tea. Actually, it has the whole flavor of the Earl Grey tea. Make sure that you squeeze it very nice to take all over. And the most important steps, that when you boil together, you cover with aluminum foil and keep 2 hours minimum to infuse. In this case, you have really strong aroma of Earl Grey tea. The people they drink Earl Grey tea, they know what I mean. So when we mix, it becomes really ganache because that mousse have no gelatin. It's cremois, it's melting in your mouth. The flavor of the Earl Grey tea make you nice experience and you really enjoy it. Especially the people like me adapting a chocolate holics, they will love it. Wow, taste is nice. Here we make sabayon, 21 piece of egg yolk, not 21 gram, 21 piece egg yolk with 150 gram of sugar together in bain-marie, and we make strong sabayon. As you know, when we use egg in any recipe like creme anglaise, we must cook it for 82 centigrade. This is the only way that it comes nice flavor and very safe for salmonella. We mix it, as you see, is 48, 42, 43 is nice. Actually, it should be only 82, but now we're still in safe side. So make sure that I have it all. Now the cook sabayon and ready to use. I will add it, the sabayon, the whole quantity, 21 piece of egg yolk. Actually, if you don't have piece, if you have frozen one, you multiply 21 piece in 30 gram, because the average of egg yolk 28, 25 maximum 20, 30 egg yolk, 30 gram. Anyway, we mix the sabayon with ganache, and the last minute we added 1 kilo 500 semi-whipped fresh cream. We not mix it 100%, like 75%, because we still mixing out with ganache And as you know, if I over whip the fresh cream, it will become butter. So as you see, I mix it again. I have all the aroma and flavor of the ganache with sabayon. Sabayon really nice taste when you cook the egg yolk to 82 centigrade. And this mousse, there is no any gelatin. That's why it will melt in your mouth. It's really good taste, fantastic aroma. That's all. My mousse is ready, and you will see. Now I test again after everything. Top. It's top. You can feel the aroma. I have my silicone mold. You can make in silicone mold. You can have stainless steel mold. You can have cake ring. Whatever you want to shape your mousse, we make, as you see, 50% of the mousse by cream. We piping into the mold. I like this dome or half sphere shape, and you will see the presentation. It will look really nice. I added more to finish this quantity. It makes two tray like this, almost 40, 48, 48 and one small ring, 48 piece of cakes and one small ring. Here we have the syrup. The syrup, 1 kilo sugar, 1 kilo water, 25 gram Earl Grey tea. This is Earl Grey tea syrup. I boil together. After that, I strain from the tea seed. And here we have almond chocolate decoys. You will find the link in the description. It's already in my channel. La biscuit cacao Joconde or Joconde biscuit. I soak it nice, then I put in the middle of the mousse. I make sure I push so the cream takes the shape of the mold. Then again I cover with our Earl Grey tea, cremois. The final thing that we will have to cover again with almond chocolate biscuit or Giocondo cacao. It's really nice. This is the final step. I soak again. Make sure that you soak nice so to be soft and increase the flavor of the Earl Grey tea. You will have really nice strong flavor of Earl Grey tea. There is no gelatin. It's really soft and melt in your mouth and you feel really strong aroma. So the syrup have Earl Grey tea flavor. The ganache have Earl Grey tea flavor. This is the way I make the mousse, the syrup. 1 kilo water, 1 kilo sugar, 25 gram Earl Grey tea. That's it. This is our Earl Grey tea syrup. Also, you can use the rest of some of cakes. Really nice aroma. This is the glaçage, chocolate miroir glaçage. Already the recipe in my channel. You can find also the link below, or you can search in my channel. Nice glaze, small fan of chocolate, simple garnish, strong aroma. That's the modern dessert. You have many texture in your cake. You have something crunchy, you have something soft, you have something creamy, and both when you eat it, it makes the experience of amazingly chocolate. our glaçage, miroir glaçage, you will find very easy and they really taste nice fresh cream sugar. Hope you enjoy. Thank you again to come to my channel.